make sure to like, subscribe, and notify. The algorithm is real.
Zoom to Thailand.
I'm tired of America, so I'm hitting Richie on the net. I got the tickets, that's a bet. We need the link, my brother set it up. Damn, I didn't had enough. Ooh, I won't lie. Can I get a little shake with them fries? My skin tone is matching your eyes. Black men, you know we like them thighs. And baby, she can do it all. Your land is my land, cut through it all. Gotta sing it, baby, like Biggie Smalls. I'm like, my, when she do that walk. I zoom to Thailand.
Hell, everybody keep asking me, like, where do I find it? Did Elle have a sister? Did Elle have a cousin? One even asked about your mama. What about her mama? Is your mama single? I'm the Travel OG, and I traded in my Hollywood lifestyle for the sexy beaches of Pattaya, Thailand. We're bringing you exclusive interviews, showing you what the golf courses are like, the caddies are like, what the homies like. Zoom to Thailand with your man, Richie Mack. The Travel LG. I don't know what to tell him. Will you let him know you don't have a sister? Will you please tell him?
I don't have.
She don't have a sister. She got an iron, though. She got an iron that's smoking over here. She got an iron, but she does have a friend in Bangkok. She's thick, too. Her friend is kind of thick.
I have just one friend in the Bangkok.
Yeah, she's thick, though. I might have to show a little video of that, because she's thick. She thick. She got a little something at the top and a little bit at the bottom, too. She ain't got the big leg, though, but she okay. So I just finished my consultation, so I'm showing my peeps the new Zoom office layout. I'm very, very happy about this, y'all. I just finished putting it together. So, one thing is, man, that my AC not working. It getting a little warm down here in the pool. Y'all see the pool? I just want to see like a mermaid swim through here, man. Some of my day ones have been asking about the Mary episode. I got a yellow check mark for that episode, so you know what that means. Zoom after dark clips. This is some of the pool work we did before things got interesting. We talked about everything.
So hit that like, bang that bell, and don't forget to subscribe now. Come on, subscribe now.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? This is Jay Bias here in Tokyo. I just want to give a shout out to Richie Mack. Thank you, Richie, for putting me up on game, getting me right for my trip to Thailand. Richie went over where to stay, what to do, what not to do, and other things that you're probably curious about that you can't really talk about on YouTube. I'm not new to traveling. I've been all over the place, but whenever I go somewhere different, I do like to check in with someone local that knows the lay of the land. So if you're going to Thailand or thinking about going to Thailand, definitely get a consultation with Richie. He will save you time and money. Thank you, Richie.
Shout out to Jay Bias. I really enjoyed our consultation, bro. See you when you get here. I just don't understand. What is so good? What is it about this woman y'all so intrigued about? Act like a woman ain't never ironed a shirt before. Act like a woman don't get up in the morning and start ironing clothes and stuff. These are t-shirts. Where you learn to be like this? Did your mom teach you? How do you learn? Because American men, we don't see this a lot at home.
No.
Your mom teach you to take care of man? How Thai lady know how to take care of man? From the mom?
You just look, Say mom take care of father,
So she take care of your father like this?
Yeah, she do take care of father,
That's right. You took care of your brother growing up, your younger brother, huh?
Same.
It's the same thing.
Take care, not see, you can lady, you lady. You can, that manก็can, Thai manก็can,
You take care of Thai man like this too? This how Thai lady take care of Thai man?
Yeah.
See the this is the part that trips me out. It's the folding game. That like, and then she puts in certain little orders and stuff. I'm fascinated because I don't know how to iron. Like most black people know how to iron, but I don't. You know, back growing up in my hood, they used to have crease contests whose pants could crease the hardest. Y'all tap in if y'all remember that. Whose pants could crease the hardest, that damn near make them stand up in the corner. Hold on, your stomach still hurting? Noodle having stomach pains right now. Y'all know what that means for women every month. She kind of feeling that right now. She feeling it. That's why Noodle want a baby, huh? You want me to put a baby in there so you don't have them problems, huh? Yeah, men will never understand what y'all go through, man. We will never understand that, baby. I wish there was something I could do. Just don't burn your face on the iron, though, because you're kind of close to that iron. How you say iron? Well, yeah, whoop, yeah, see? Yeah, how you say iron in Thai?
เตารีด
What is it?
เตารีด
Thao lead, y'all. An iron is a thao lead. So when you get you a Thai girl, you know, be like, what's up with the thao lead? I wake up and this is what be happening. Is she cooking something or she cleaning something or she doing something? Even though the house could stand a little overhaul, though. Are we gonna get the cleaning people to come back? No, she's finna go and like put on a little clothes. She been the sun. Y'all know been the sun. Hey girl, you know I got the camera on. Don't be lifting it up too much. They gonna try to see your tooth. They gonna try to see your tooth.
I think you finished.
No, we watch it. They like to see you. This is the Noodle Show. They like to see Elle. They don't want to see me. They want to see Elle and they want to see Kobe. Y'all want to see Kobe? That's a boy. That's a boy. That's my boy. That's my first line of defense. You know what I mean? That's first line of defense. That's second line of defense. And then after that, you know, it's time to dance. You dig?
Cause your friends don't dance, and if they don't dance, well, they're no friends of mine.
I can't believe this is stuff y'all want to see. So I'm gonna give it to y'all once in a while. See, this how these pants fit these big old legs. Look how wide they are. That's why you need pants like that for your big legs.
You you tell. Why you do pen? Why you not put more?
I know. Yeah, now that she knows. See, I'm telling y'all, she didn't know. She used to cover her big legs because she thought her legs was too big and she didn't like it. Now, boy, she be wearing the little leg shorts now. Boy, I'm telling you. Once you start learning Beyonce's lyrics to her songs, your ass is out of here. You understand me?
All the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies. Now put your hands up.
Matrix Challenge. I keep throwing out the Matrix Challenge, but nobody's responded yet. But it's all good, man. The Matrix Challenge is just to show brothers and others, you know, life outside the Matrix can be wonderful. Anyway, y'all, I guess y'all seen enough of Elle. I was just trying to get y'all a little something. I was fixing my office and I saw her up here doing this thing. So, Elle, you know what to tell them at the end. You know what to say. Tell them, Elle.
What say? I don't know say.
Say theme music.
Theme music.
Theme music.
Zoom to Thailand, hope you coming too. Richie Mac, travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for show. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mac, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mac, travel OG, let's go.